Thank you, baby.
Okay, scoot over so Sally can be in a little bit. Sally, what does baby have?
Hiccups. Hiccups.
Whoa! What is going on? Did you just see that?
Hey, baby, what did you do that for?
Yeah, did you just do a cartwheel?
Now we can play arts and crafts.
Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That is hilarious.
Ow. Hey! You take that off.
Don't.
Hey, that's mine.
Hey.
Hey, Sally! Libby, I need that so you can take me
Mommy's
for...
recording.
I'm not taking you for a walk. Yes, you are.
Wow, good job, baby.
I'm not taking Baby, come here. Whoa. Whoa! Come here. Baby. Oh.